Next chapter is planes in three dimensions. First is, sorry, direction angle. Let line OP makes an angle alpha, beta and gamma with positive x, y, z axis respectively. Then alpha, beta, gamma are called direction angles of that line OP. Suppose this is the line. This is the axis, x axis right here, x axis, y axis and z axis. On this line, suppose this line OP makes an angle alpha with x axis, beta with y axis and gamma with z axis. Then these alpha, beta and gamma are called direction angles of that line. And cos of these angles, that is cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma, are called direction cosines. Shortly, direction cosines are denoted by this notation, this short form, that D dot CS dot, direction cosines of line AB. So cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are called direction cosines of that line. And the direction cosines of the lines are usually denoted by the notation L, M and N. That is, L is cos alpha, M is cos beta and N is cos gamma. These are the standard notations for direction cosines, L, M, N. Okay. So what are the direction angles? Lines make an angle alpha, beta, gamma with x axis, y axis and z axis, positive x axis, positive y axis and positive z axis. And cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called direction cosines of the line. The numbers ABC, small ABC, proportional to LMN are called direction ratios of that line OP. That is, L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C. If these ABC are what? Are proportional to LMN. That is, suppose LMN are 2, 3 and 4. And what is it? The proportional number to 2, 3, 4. Suppose multiply by 2, 3, 4 by 2. That is 4, 6 and 8. These are the numbers proportional to 2, 3, 4. So the numbers proportional to LMN, that is direction cosines, are called direction ratios. This is the relation between direction ratios and direction cosines. And if we equate it with 1, then we have L is what? A by, that is, it is equal to 1 by root A square plus B square plus C square. So L is what? A by root A square plus B square plus C square. So these ratios are equal and is equal to 1 by root A square plus B square plus C square. Therefore, L is A by root A square plus B square plus C square. M is this and N is this. So these three formulae gives the relation between direction cosines, that is LMN, and direction ratios ABC. That is, suppose we are given direction ratios, that is the values of ABC, then we can find the values of LMN, that is direction cosines. That is, if the direction ratios are given, then we can find by using these formulae the values of LMN, that is direction cosines. The first theorem or example is prove that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So, or cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is 1. Because L is cos alpha, M means cos beta, N means cos gamma. So we have to prove this. Okay. So let this line OP makes an angle alpha with x axis, beta with y axis, and gamma with z axis. Okay. And therefore the cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are the direction cosines of that line. Now let the point coordinate of this point be x, y, z. Let p, x, y, z be any point on this line. P, x, y, z be any point on this line. Okay, and its coordinate be x, y, z. Then how we can find the coordinates of p? That is, draw a perpendicular. M. Suppose M is the foot of the perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular from point P on XY plane, and suppose M is the foot of the perpendicular. Then draw the perpendicular from point M to X axis. So this is perpendicular. Actually, this is the figure is 3-dimensional. Our notebook is 2-dimensional. That's why. But this angle is what? This angle is 90 degree. That is, from M, draw a perpendicular on X axis. Suppose this is the perpendicular, meets at a point Q, And then OQ, this distance OQ is what? The coordinate of x coordinate of the point P. This QM is the y coordinate of this point P, and this PM, distance PM, is the z coordinate of that point P. Okay, so this is the coordinate system in three-dimensional figure. In x, y, z axis, draw a perpendicular on x, y plane, draw a perpendicular from that point P on the x axis, and then this distance OQ is the x coordinate of the point P. This distance between Q and M is the y coordinate of this point P, and the distance between P and M is the z coordinate of the point P. So the line OP makes an angle. Suppose the line OP makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with positive x, y, z axis. Then L is cos alpha, M is cos beta, N is cos gamma, be direction cosines of that line OP. Okay. Let PM on XY, draw a perpendicular PM on XOY plane, and MQ is perpendicular to X axis. So write that, draw a perpendicular PM on XOY axis, XOY plane, and let MQ is the perpendicular on X axis. Then PM, this PM is what? PM is Z, QM is Y, and OQ is X, because the coordinate of the point P are X, Y, Z. Join OM, this OM, okay? And this this OM is in the XOY plane. Therefore, this PM is perpendicular to OM, because this PM is perpendicular to this XOY plane, means PM is perpendicular to every line lies in the XOY plane, and this line OM lies in the XOY plane, so PM is perpendicular to XOY plane. Okay, so write that. Then in triangle PMO or POM, in right angle triangle POM, the angle is 90 degrees, is right angle. So what is the angle? Right angle, this PMO, this PMO angle right here, angle sign, angle PMO is pi by 2. That is triangle POM is right angle triangle. POM is right angle triangle. And then angle POM is what? Angle POM. This angle is POM, angle POM is 90 minus alpha, because this angle is 90 minus alpha, because angle POM, because this line PM is again perpendicular to this line OM, and this angle is alpha, this angle is alpha, and that's why the angle POM is 90 minus gamma, 90 minus gamma, not alpha, 90 minus gamma. So this line OZ and OM are perpendicular to each other. OZ and OM, these two lines are perpendicular to each other, and this angle is gamma, means this angle POM is 90 minus gamma, because this line Z is perpendicular to OM, line OM, like here in the figure, that OM is perpendicular to PM. This PM line is what? PM is perpendicular to OM. That is, this OZ axis, OZ is perpendicular to this line OM, and this angle is gamma, means this angle is 90 minus gamma. So angle POM is what? Is 90 minus gamma, and therefore sin 90 minus gamma, angle POM, sin 90 minus, in right angle triangle. Now this POM is a right angle triangle. POM, this angle M is 90 degree, and this angle is 90 minus gamma, POM. And so in this triangle, in this right angle triangle, sin 90 minus gamma, that is sin of this angle, is what? Opposite side. that is PM divided by hypotenuse, that is OM. Okay, so we have sine 90 minus gamma is PM by OP. And then what is OP? OP, the coordinate of O are 0, 0, 0, and the coordinate of P are x, y, z. And by using distance formula, OP is what? Root x minus 0 bracket square plus y minus 0 bracket square plus z minus 0 bracket square. That is root x square plus y square plus z square is the OP. And therefore the sine 90 minus gamma is PM. This PM is what? PM is z. So z by root x square plus y square plus z square, that is z by r. What is r? R means the distance between O and P. OP is denoted by r, notation r. Suppose OP is r, right here OP is r. After writing this, write OP is r. Let OP is r. The distance between O and P is r, and this is the distance between O and P. So z by r. And so cos gamma, sine 90 minus gamma is cos gamma. Cos gamma is z by r. Similarly, if you find cos alpha, then it is x by r, and if you find cos beta, then it is y by r. Like this, cos gamma is z by r, so cos alpha is x by r. We have cos beta as y by r. And therefore, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to x square by r square plus y square by r square plus z square by r square. R square is the LCM, x square plus y square plus z square. And x square plus y square, r square is what? R is this. R means OP. R is root x square plus y square plus z square, means r square is x square plus y square plus z square. And this is equal to 1. Therefore, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Or we say that L square plus M square plus N square is 1. So, example for 2 marks. If alpha, beta, gamma are direction angles of the line, then prove that sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2. So alpha, beta, gamma are direction angles. So sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to sin square alpha is 1 minus cos square alpha. Sin square beta is, that is sin is what? 1 minus cos square beta. Sin square gamma is 1 minus cos square gamma. Then 1 plus 1 becomes 3 minus, take minus sign common from these 3 vectors. So in bracket we have cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, and it is 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And so sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2. Next example, a line makes an angle 45 degree and 60 degree with x and y axis. Then find the angle made by the line with z axis. That is, we are given alpha is 45, beta is 60, and now we have to find gamma. So use the relation cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So what is given? Alpha is given, beta is given. That is this is the example of type. Out of this alpha, beta, and gamma, 2 are given, and we have to find the another one. So cos square pi by 4 plus cos square pi by 3, beta is pi by 3, 60 means cos square gamma is equal to 1. And then cos square 45 is 1 by 2, cos square 60 is 1 by 4. First find cos pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and its square is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, its square is 1 by 4. Cos square gamma is equal to 1, and then cos square gamma is what? 1 minus 1 half minus 1 by 4. And then 1 minus 1 half is 1 half minus 1 by 4. And then take 8 as LCM, 4 minus 2. And then 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4. So cos square gamma is 1 by 4. And so cos gamma is plus minus half. And so gamma is what? Cos square minus 1 half or cos square minus 1 half. So cos square 1 half is cos inverse 1 half is what? Cos alpha is plus 1 half. Then cos gamma is plus 1 half. Then gamma is what? Cos square, not cos square, cos inverse 1 half. Cos inverse 1 half. Gamma is what? Cos inverse 1 half. And cos inverse 1 half is 60. Because cos 60 is 1 half. And cos inverse minus 1 half is 120. Because cos 120 is minus half. So cos gamma is what? Then write the next step as gamma is equal to 60 or 120. Write the final answer as gamma is equal to, don't write this. Gamma is what? Write gamma as 60 or 120. Cos gamma is plus minus 1 half, means gamma is gamma is cos inverse half or cos inverse minus half, that is gamma is 60 or 120. So these are the answers. So these are the problems. There are this problem is what, out of this alpha, beta and gamma, two are given. Where to find the other? Okay, by using this relation. So uh, this is about the L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, or direction ratios and direction angles. Okay, so next example, next topic is the angle between two lines in terms of direction cosines. Already this the proof is of this theorem is also important. Find the angle between two lines in terms of direction angles, direction cosines, that is LMN and L dash M dash N dash, or L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2, that is the angle between two lines. So we'll see this proof in the next lecture, angle between two lines.